Hi all, this is Zeke the Defender, and I've been asked to do a Geovox tutorial on how to package up assets. I guess to do that, you have to use our Geovox asset packager, which comes with it. It's in the Geovox install folder. Otherwise, it's the same thing if you have Access Game Factory. You can use the Access Game Factory asset packager. So first, we're going to open this up. You can double click it, or you can come in here, assets, import packages, custom packages, and navigate to where it is. So might be deciding to open up, it might not be. I'll just do this. So desktop, Geovox asset packager. Just import. Take a little while. Then when this finishes, we're gonna package some stuff from. I got these from the Unity asset store. Okay, you see these three things got imported. First, I'm gonna load a little bit more. Alright, you can open up this scene, and this should have everything you need, which is pretty much just one prefab, the asset packager settings. So I'm going to export these medieval objects here that I got from the asset store. You can either right click, go to build asset pack warehouse, or you can go to Access Game Factory, build asset pack warehouse. And then all you have to do is go back to Geovox asset packs. It'll automatically have the name of whatever folder you right-clicked or selected. Make sure it's selected if you're using it up here. So select this, Access Game Factory, and what I showed you to do. So I'm going to just rename this to, made one earlier, so medieval. Make sure there's a W at the end. That means it's a warehouse pack, which has prefabs. If there's a T, that means it's terrain textures, and V is vegetation textures. So yeah, I'm just going to save it over the medieval one there. So this might take a little while, depending on how many prefabs, how big they are. Alright, while we're waiting, I guess I'll show you a new feature that I just added to Geovox. I'll create a new block type, turn on prefabs, and I'll select an asset. This is going to be new. You can see all your asset packs that you've saved in your asset packs folder. If for some reason you want to use an asset pack that's not in your folder, you'll need to, go to File, Load Asset Pack, and say you have it on your desktop. Click desktop, and then I saved one here earlier. So yeah, you'd have to use this one if it's not in your folder. But otherwise, let's see. This looks like it's done. There might be some errors. You can just clear those as long as they don't stay here. You're good. If you do have an error that stays there, let me know and I can try to help you out. So anyway, oops. Delete. Select an asset. It'll load, and it'll automatically add it to the list here. And then you can place a host, or whatever you decide to change it to. A fence. So I'm going to go back to this. Pretty much the same thing can be said for textures. Pretty much the same thing. Just go to build asset packs, terrain, or vegetation, and it'll grab all the textures in a folder and package it up. Make sure the textures are not like Photoshop files. Like this is a Photoshop file. I tried packaging these up yesterday and didn't work. Didn't realize they were Photoshop files. So make sure they're, I don't know, PNGs, JPEGs, some other image format. As for that, go back here, I guess. If you were to package up something, you can add terrain, choose the color map. Say you package up terrain asset pack, it'll show up here. These are the ones that are all there already. You can do ones for the normal or the specular maps as well. And then grass, there will be a few. These are the ones that are _V in the folder. So yeah, I hope that helps. And then after that, you can also unload asset packs as well. That means it'll just change them. It'll just remove the fences or whatever you did. So yeah, hope that helps, and